Just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys how we use our pegless clotheslines when we're on the road. First up, we use the awning clips here. These are available in a 10-pack. They're Australian made up in Queensland. Then you've got our pegless clotheslines, they're the slides, and then you've got 2 bungee cords. So every packet of slide and dry pegless clotheslines comes with 2 bungee cords in each pack, so you can wrap around a tree or your awning. And now Ashlee's going to pop them into our awning barrel, and away we go. So with the awning hooks, what you do is you just slide that section through the barrel of your awning, because that's what they're designed for. Like I said before, these are Australian made. We just use 3 for the entire length of our awning barrel, and then we'll put our clotheslines on next. So our slide and dry slides all concertina into the one section, so then you can just pull them apart and they're all ready to go, and we just need to hook them up, which Ash is going to do now on the awning hooks. So with your bungee cord, you just stick your hook into the end like so, and then we wrap ours around our awning barrel and then back onto itself, just like that. And then we work our way across, and then we'll just hook that up on the awning hooks. Because we run over 2 packets right along our awning barrel, we just need to do that, which secures the laundry a lot better. And once that goes all the way across, we'll get the laundry out and just slide and dry. There we go. That's just over 2 packets under the awning, ready for our laundry.